Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the instant enable of your LCD in Motorola Edge 30. So if you want to have unlimited time to see your LCD, you have to go to the settings. Then scroll down, go to the system. There is developer option. If you don't have it, you have search in my other video how to enter to developer option. And next you have something like stay awake. So screen will never sleep while charging. So if you can enable it, when you put the USB charger here, the screen will never sleep. So it's been always a picture on it. Yep. So if you have some camera, if you wish to see all the time your screen, this option is for you. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!